Introducing Crave Edge, physician-formulated alcohol craving support supplement from Straight Edge Labs, uniquely developed by our board-certified physicians specializing in natural medicine, and hand-selected based on clinical research and 25 years of clinical experience. Crave Edge is the first and only pure glutamine supplement that is physician-formulated specifically to help curb alcohol cravings. Our glutamine is proudly sourced and manufactured in the U.S. and extracted by a proprietary natural fermentation process, and can quickly help curb alcohol cravings. Drawing on our extensive expertise, we have created the purest, highest quality product in a clinically effective dose with no unnecessary ingredients. Crave Edge involves no big pills or bad taste, and does not cause rebound headaches or sleeplessness. It is fast-acting and easy to dissolve. What's more, Crave Edge also helps curb sugar cravings and helps support gut health, muscle growth, and liver detoxification. For best results, take Crave Edge on an empty stomach and away from other supplements. Simply dissolve it in a cup of water and consume daily. Sobriety delivers what alcohol promises. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.